What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I am on my way to Bobby's Night Out for Electric Wednesday, but before I go there, I'm meeting up with some guys from the NYC Zoos Club for a quick bite to eat at San Loco Tacos. Got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. Let's see, San Loco Tacos is on 7th and C, and Bobby's Night Out is on 9th and C. I have the Jackrabbit out with me right now. I plan to try to sell it. I've got a little for sale sign that I'm gonna pop on the bike when we pull up to Electric Wednesday, and maybe we'll get a taker. It is definitely getting a little bit cooler out. We have 60-degree weather today. It's a little bit gloomy. It's a little bit cloudy. It's not like gonna rain or anything, but it's definitely overcast. This is a fun little bike. My dad no longer will be riding it. As I said in my last video, he had a little crash with it. He's no good on bikes anymore, so that's it for that. So it's either sell it or keep it and play around with it, which I don't know. I'm not sure I feel like keeping another bike in our apartment. We already have two. There's a third one at my parents' house. I've been thinking a little bit about getting rid of one of my bikes and possibly getting something else. We'll see. There's a lot to think about and consider when it comes to that. So I'm coming up to Houston Street on Columbia, which turns into Avenue D. Gonna cross over and get over to C. Oh, good timing. Got the walk sign here. So we've been having some great Electric Wednesday turnouts lately. I'm really excited to see how tonight goes. I'm meeting up with Mike Hale and Hollywood Steve for some tacos first. San Loco Tacos, I've been there before. I think I've done a ride and review there. If you haven't been, you've got to check it out. Their lamb barbacoa tacos are incredible. So I'm definitely gonna get one of those. And I think this time I'll try a burrito. Take this right here on Avenue C. It'll be on the left-hand side, right after we cross 7th Street. What's this, 4th? All right, a couple more to go. Oh, look at that old jalopy. Man, looks like an Impala wagon. It's kind of 63 maybe? I don't know. That's cool. Definitely needs a little TLC though. I'm a big fan of classic cars. I used to have a 64 Impala convertible back when I was 18 years old. And I also used to have a 58 Cadillac sedan DeVille, which I loved. I had that, I would say probably 2010 or 12 to 2014. Had to sell it when we moved back to the city. Always miss it. Okay, so coming up on San Loco right now. Definitely looks like I'm first. So let me lock this up and I will see you on the inside. Oh, perfect timing. Nice, thank you. Cheers, man.
Cheers. You know this place, San Loco?
That hits the spot. He must have, when he cracked his head, he must have tried to get back on it because it was covered. Damn. This place always hits the spot. Going with the lamb first. Oh, that's good. This is my first time doing the guaca loco. It's good.
What's the difference between a guaca loco and like a regular? It's got more spinach. Oh, it's got a hard taco inside of it?
A hard taco inside, soft taco outside, and then it's like sandwiched between with guacamole.
Fucking downpouring like all the time, but it was like misty and off and on, which is fine. Because like in these triathlons, like...
Which is VW, man.
I thought it was over there.
It is. We're getting a bite first. All right, here comes a nice 2-street ride. Oh shit, forgot about that. I'm gonna just stay on the sidewalk.
Dying.
All right, 2 streets and we're at Bobby's. Electric Wednesday. Are we still first? No, there's some people that beat us here. All right. Woo!
Eli like laughed and
What's up? 2 streets?
Can I try it?
Yeah, of course.
I tried the other one.
You tried the XG.
Yeah.
It's a small wheelbase, so be careful with your knees.
Oh, no, it's all good. Take your
Long time no see.
What's up, brother?
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
Good to see you.
Oi.
How you doing? How you feeling?
Good.
Good? Hey, man.
Good.
How you doing?
Well, thank you.
How are you?
Woo! Good lineup. Onyx, Scoop, Monday, Zoos, and the Jackrabbit.
Beep, 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 beep. Go through. Yes. Lightning. I feel so small.
It's like a weird thing. And I'm like, what? It's like, I don't have a vehicle for the last year.
That's why I'm renting one. I'm trying to get one.
Mike, what's going on? You got another flat? You got another flat on the spot?
Javelin got another flat tire. Another one. Might as well just go with City Bike. Javelin's not.
Yo, I gotta say, the headlight is dope. All right. Electric Wednesday, Bobby's Night Out, San Loco Tacos. What a great turnout. Awesome night. You might be wondering how I fared with trying to sell the Jackrabbit. It's sold. It's no longer mine. The guy who bought it, Steve Cortez, is picking it up tomorrow. And that's it. We did it. Around the hood in 8 minutes. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.